Namaste. I am Dr. Bharat Bhushan Kukreja. I am a consultant physician in Guwahati. Vajrasana, also called thunderbolt pose. To perform this pose, follow the steps as I speak. Kneel on the mat, bringing your knees and feet together. Sit back on your heels so the buttocks rest on the heels and the thighs on the calves. Place your hands on your thighs, palms facing downward. Keep your spine erect, chest open and shoulders relaxed, and gaze forward. Breathe deeply, naturally in this position, maintaining stillness. This is the only yoga pose that can be performed immediately after eating. Hold for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your convenience, gradually increasing duration as the time rolls on as you practice. Vajrasana is uniquely effective for digestion and diabetes management. It improves blood flow to the digestive organs, stimulates the pancreas, and is the ideal post-meal yoga pose. Let me now tell you the key health benefits. It increases or enhances digestion. It diverts the blood flow to the digestive organs, accelerating digestion. It causes pancreas stimulation, leading to pressure on the legs, which directs blood to the abdominal region. It helps in controlling blood sugar. The regular practice of Vajrasana helps in managing post-meal glucose spikes. Renal benefits or kidney health improvement. It improves circulation to the kidneys and also to urinary tract. Spine alignment. It maintains lumbar curvature and strengthens the back muscles. Overall, it helps in maintaining mental calmness. It promotes mindfulness, reducing stress-related cortisol levels. Friends, I have just enumerated the most important benefits of this Vajrasana. There are so many others. Please try. Pranayam, Pranam ka Vyayam, called breath control. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana or Padmasana with your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra, that index finger and thumb finger touching. Close your eyes. Take a few natural breaths to get settled. Now for Alom Vilom, close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale through the left for 4 counts. You can close both the nostrils, hold the breath for 4 counts. It's called Kumbhak. Release the right nostril and exhale slowly for 8 counts. Then we repeat again. Practice this for 10 to 15 minutes, maintaining rhythmic, controlled breathing throughout. Pranayam regulates the autonomic nervous system, lowers blood pressure, improves oxygen delivery to the heart, and helps stabilize blood sugar levels through stress reduction. I'll enumerate the key health benefits. Number 1 is the blood pressure control. Slow, deep breathing activates the vagus nerve, reducing hypertension. Blood sugar balance occurs because of the lowering of cholesterol, which directly impacts insulin resistance. Pranayama also helps in regulating the heart rate. It improves heart rate variability and the cardiac rhythm. Lung strength, increased respiratory efficiency occurs, and there is better oxygen saturation. You get mental clarity because pranayama calms anxiety, sharpens focus, and improves sleep quality. Pranayama support physical and mental wellness for better overall health. I'll show you 2 simple breathing exercises which you can perform even in your clinic or in isolation. The first one goes like this. Sit comfortably in your chair, either in this mudra that I am sitting or in any mudra you feel like. Take a deep breath. Hold. Make this small aperture and breathe out very slowly. And the second one is the same procedure by just putting your fingers like this, closing the external auditory canal. Take a deep breath. Hold and breathe out. Friends, this echo that occurs gives you real-time relaxation. I thought I'll share these 2 which I have practiced and which I find very helpful. Thank you for your attention. Bhujanga Asana, also called Cobra pose. To perform this pose, lie on your stomach, feet together, palms flat on the floor, under your shoulders. Keep elbows close to the body, forehead resting on the mat to start. Inhale slowly and press through your palms to lift your chest and head upward. Roll the shoulders back and down, opening the chest fully. Keep the lower body from the navel down, grounded on the mat. Hold the pose, breathing deeply, maintaining a comfortable back bend. Exhale and slowly lower the chest back down. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Bhujanga Asana strengthens the spine, opens the heart, stimulates abdominal organs including the pancreas, and can aid blood sugar regulation, making it beneficial for diabetic patients. The key health benefits on the pancreas: this asana massages the pancreas, supporting insulin secretion and glucose control. It expands the chest and improves cardiac circulation, helps in opening up the heart. Spinal strength is increased because of spinal muscle tone increase, and this asana also relieves back pain. The lung capacity becomes better because it promotes deeper breathing and there is better oxygen intake. Definitely there is stress reduction. This asana releases tension which is held in the chest and abdomen and relaxes the muscles. If we look at the overall well-being, this asana energizes the body and improves mood through cortisol regulation. Thank you.